Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the Wera 6004 Joker XXL Self-Setting Spanner. This versatile tool is your answer to a universal screw-driving solution. No more fumbling with multiple sizes. This spanner automatically adjusts to both metric and imperial dimensions. With its continuous and parallel jaws, the Wera 6004 securely grips hexagon bolts and screws without damaging them. Enjoy high working speeds with the integrated lever mechanism that minimizes slippage. Need to work in tight spaces? No problem. The single-arm design and corner-width rectangular prisms allow for a back pivoting angle of 30 degrees. Fast, efficient, and reliable, the Wera 6004 Joker XXL is the ultimate tool for every professional. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.